Tamil dance now.
I'm very happy that the celebration will be so grand, so fine. That for 40 years I was here in Chennai. From this place only I operated, making Shankarabharanam, and all my films were made as my headquarters in Madras. Thank you very much for this honor that you are giving me. Thank you.
Come on.